So hi everyone. Today we will be walking through the best generative AI packages for developers and data scientists. So we will start off with pandasAI. pandasAI is one of the best packages available for free. That is an AI agent for data analysis. So if you are working quite frequently with data frames, this is your go-to package. You just need to integrate any of your LLM that you have and then eventually give a prompt like, for example, summarize this data for me. Pandas AI would be able to do it. Next is everyone's favorite LangChain. So LangChain is your go-to framework if you wish to build out any sort of generative application. It can help you build agents, it can help you build a RAG framework, it can help you build basic generative AI applications, can have integrations for third-party tool and what not. It has everything with it. So you can check out the LangChain playlist on the channel for all the use cases that you can cover with LangChain. DSPy is quite an innovative package which helps you with auto prompt tuning. So basically, people are not generally good with prompt engineering, what prompt they should write to get the best output. So you don't need to worry now. You can use DSPy to build your applications, and DSPy will be picking up your prompt and tuning it internally and then giving you the best yield. So it sort of eliminates the use of prompt engineering that is manually done. LangGraph is again one of my favorites package that I have been using quite frequently on the demonstration on this channel. So LangGraph is basically an extension of LangChain for building multi-agent orchestration applications where multiple AI agents are interacting with each other and building out applications. So this can be used for building applications like Devin, if you heard, like it's an entire software engineer where the brainstorming is also done by the AI and the codes are also written by the AI. So different roles can be assigned to different agents and then they collaborate within each other and work on it. Recently came in Unsloth is also a go-to tool if you wish to fine-tune or train any of your LLM with your custom data. I just some time back released a video with Llama 3.1 fine-tuning using Unsloth and it was unbelievably fast and very easy to use also. So a great package if you wish to go for fine-tuning of LLMs. AutoGen again very similar to what we have for LangGraph. AutoGen is more of a more advanced version of LangGraph where it's more automated for you. You're not manually setting up any settings. Most of the things are taken care by the package itself, and it is great for software development because it has by inbuilt code execution capabilities. So if you ask the agent to write a code snippet, it will eventually execute also and give you the output also. So that's the best part. It is more for software developers compared to other non-technical professions, but a great package by Microsoft. LlamaIndex again is a pretty good package if you wish to build out your RAG application. That is, you want to talk to your external data set like pandas or like CSV files, be it PDFs, etc. So LlamaIndex is a dedicated package for RAG framework implementation. Quite good also, very easy to use, and should be your go-to tool if you are only implementing RAG. Ollama has made lives very easy for everyone because it helps you to go with local LLMs and run LLMs in your local system. So right now it has mostly all the state of the art LLMs available which you can now use in your local system using Ollama. So you just need to run a simple code, Ollama run the model name, and if it is present in Ollama's library, you can check out from the model site, then it would get automatically downloaded and then you can use that LLM in your local system. It is integrable with with almost all the packages that I mentioned earlier like LangChain, LangGraph. So now you can build out applications without using any API, just in a local system. For building any LLM application, the most important part is the evaluation of the application that you build. So DeepEval is one of the best packages to evaluate your LLM applications. Very easy to build out, helps you with unit testing also, and provides you with a number of parameters and metrics to check like harmfulness, or it can also check for basic accuracy metrics. So a number of metrics provided, very easy to use, and should be your go-to tool if you want an LLM evaluation. Diffusers again, we haven't talked much about multimodal generation, just text for now. So Diffusers is the go-to library if you wish to try out any sort of a multimodal application, majorly with images. So Diffuser is provided by Hugging Face, as you can see that, and majorly has pre-trained diffusion models for generating images, audio, and 3D structures of molecule. So not majorly for text set, but if you wish to go for other format generation. The last one is LangFuse. I think LangFuse is again an open source framework for tracing and debugging your LM application. So I think if you might have heard of Langsmith is paid, but LangFuse is free. So all the resources that I mentioned are free till now. So this helps you to trace back that whether how much hits you have done with your LLM application, how to debug it, what's the cost. So all the engineering part of a generative application can be taken care by LangFuse. So with this, we will wrap this video. Hope you get some useful information out of it. Thank you.